Tip 93. Stay safe.
Dialogue. What should be the first things to consider for my repair shop's safety?
In my opinion, you should first think about a first aid kit and fire extinguishers. They should be strategically placed and easy to access.
Is that all?
Don't forget that adequate ventilation, including exhaust systems, is crucial for removing fumes and dust from the work area. You should also have containment kits on hand to manage spills of oil, coolant, or other fluids.
What about personal protective equipment?
You'll need safety glasses, gloves, and safety boots.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. What happened?
Days asked John for advice on initial safety considerations for her repair shop. John suggested starting with easily accessible fire extinguishers and a first aid kit. When Days asked for more information, John added that proper ventilation, including exhaust systems and containment kits for fluid spills, are crucial. John then advised Days to get personal protective equipment, PPE, like safety glasses, gloves, and safety boots. Days thanked John for his help.
Tip 93. Stay safe. Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.